Kalıp, a new generation mold factory. Quality, over 35 years of experience. Kalıp, with on-time delivery and team spirit. Our team spirit registers our experience, and our experience registers our quality. Founded in 1991, Kalıp today is a solid player in the technology and industry İkitelli Organized Industrial Zone, which is the most modern building, Trios 2023 industrial area. It serves as a technological mold factory in 5,500 square meters of indoor space. Kalıp, in line with the objectives and strategy of continuous innovation to develop, has been an indispensable partner in many sectors by a professional with management regarding the production of molds. Kalıp, a new generation mold factory. Kalıp manufactures 650 plastic and metal injection molds annually with its constantly renewed machinery. The idea of working with the aim of high customer satisfaction, it has the deserved honor of being among the top 5 companies in the Turkish mold sector for many years. In particularly all areas of the industry, in the domestic and abroad industries, in the making of mold production, especially automotive, white goods sector, electricity sector, kitchen equipment and accessories industry, cleaning equipment and accessories, building materials industry sector, along with 24/7 uninterrupted service. In addition to the fact that we have 5 Axis CNC machining centers and other modern CNC machining centers that can produce in different sizes and at high speed in our machine park in our mold factory, our double head EDM deep hole drilling machine, die spotting machine, and IMM investments allow us to meet the manufacturing, maintenance, and revision demands of our customers. Bottom line, we respond quickly. Revisions and improvements on the product are made in line with the demands of our business partners after the start of the project. And instant notifications about the project deadline, final stages, and tool process reports are updated weekly and shared with them. These briefings help us to mutually use time, which is the most precious capital, in the most effective way, and to help our customers to make the most accurate production plans. With the mold tracking system software that we have prepared specifically for our factory, we make all our production plans flawlessly. We provide services with the latest programs used in our design department and are constantly updated. With our professional team and the draft analysis feature in our programs, we analyze whether the parts will eject out of the mold, and mold flow analysis are performed by the products, and the deformation, warpage, sin marks that will occur on the product are presented in the form of a report, and this helps prevent mistakes during the design stage. We also offer customer-oriented satisfaction at the highest point in mold production with the rich data transfer feature of our programs and automatic repair of external data. Your mold parts and components are scanned with 3D laser scanners and compared with 3D data without moving them out from CNC machines during the production stage. That allows us to reach the most accurate production as soon as possible. The biggest reason why our customers prefer us is that we do all of the mold manufacturing in our own factory. Testing and defect-free delivery of the mold before the final delivery demonstrates the value we place on our business and our customers. Kalıp, looking to the future with confidence because our principles are high-quality manufacturing, reasonable price, and on-time delivery. We produce with excitement on the first day, and we're staying to be preferred in the changing world. Kalıp, a new generation mold factory.